This is Jamb year 2016 government pass question. Question number 24 says the main attributes of a state are dash. The main attribute of a state are dash. When we talk of attribute, means features of a state are dash. A. Government, the police and the army forces. B. Population, territory, government and sovereignty. C. Federal, state and local government. D. The press, the legislature, the executive and judiciary. The attribute or the features of every state include population, which means people, include territory, which means boundary, include government, which the ruler. They includes sovereignty. Sovereignty represent sovereignty, which means supremacy. So option B is correct. Thank you and ensure you subscribe for more videos.